Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to make fried plantain. I'm going to show you the way I make my fried plantain. And guys, if you're new here, welcome to our sister's kitchen. And I'm going to peel my plantain and I'm going to slice them. My oil is on the fire already. So you see the way I do my fried plantain. Okay guys, now I'm gonna start frying. I'm gonna start putting in my plantain. I'm not gonna overcrowd the pan because I want them to fry it fast. Okay, so this is okay. Guys, I put my stove on medium because I don't want them to burn. Okay, I'm doing the last plantain because I have some in the oven in the frying pan already. And guys, you can buy the green plantain and you write them yourself. And sometimes you buy the ripe ones, they're not so nice, but you can find nice green ones. You buy them and you write them. That's what I do. I just buy the green ones and I write them myself. I buy like 3 ripe green plantain. When I do my grocery, I always buy my green plantain. See, I have 3 from yesterday. I bought 3 yesterday. So I'm making them stay in the bag and I'm gonna let them ride. So next week this time I have these ones can fry like how I'm doing this now. So I just buy them green and then they will stay in the bag and ride. Okay, I'm gonna start flipping these. See how they stay, okay. Okay, they're coming on. guys, they are looking nice. Okay guys, I'm gonna take out my first set. Don't want them to get too dark. And I'm putting them on a paper towel. So you just take out the excess fat, oil out of the plantain. After I'm gonna plate them nicely. And for now I'm just gonna put them. I'm gonna put in another set. Okay guys, I'm taking out the second set. Okay guys, I'm putting in the last set now. So guys, you see my plantains are pretty, and I don't put a lot of oil. You don't have to put a lot of oil to get your plantains very nice color. Okay guys, I'm almost finished now. I'm gonna take these out there and I'm gonna show you my finished product. So my plantain look nice in my plate. Come on guys, come on over and let's have some fried plantain. So okay guys, this is my finished product. So this is my fried plantain. Welcome. Let's have a feast. And guys, remember to like, share and comment please, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.